An awareness video from the Department of Public Health Dentistry, Sri Ramakrishna Dental College and Hospital, Coimbatore. Quit before it's too late. Quit smoking. Most smokers today know that the smoking is bad for their health and harmful to the people around them. The smokers might have tried to quit in the past and failed due to addiction. Smoking is hazardous to human beings. Right from brain to toe, smoking wreaks havoc to the smoker. The effects of smoking on brain are highly dangerous. There are various forms of tobacco products: smoking tobacco, smokeless tobacco, and e-cigarettes. The left one is the normal lung and the right one is the lung of a smoker. Actually, smokers have a greater risk of developing a severe case and dying from COVID-19.
After quitting smoking, your body begins a series of changes that continue for years. Within 20 minutes of quitting smoking, your heart rate drops. At 12 hours, carbon monoxide level in your blood drops to normal. Between 2 weeks to 3 months, your heart attack risk begins to drop. Your lung function begins to improve. At about 1 to 9 months of quitting smoking, your coughing and shortness of breath decreases. At about 1 year, your added risk of coronary heart disease is half that of a smoker's. At about 5 years, your stroke risk is reduced to that of a non-smoker's 5 to 15 years after quitting. At about 10 years, your lung cancer death rate is about half that of a smoker's. Your risk of cancer of mouth, throat, esophagus, bladder, kidney and pancreas decreases. At about 15 years, your risk of coronary heart disease is back to that of a non-smoker's.
How does quitting smoking affect the children who are exposed to the secondhand smoke? Quitting smoking decreases the excess risk of many diseases related to the secondhand smoke in children, such as respiratory diseases, example asthma and ear infection. Are there any other benefits of quitting smoking? Quitting smoking reduces the chance of impotence, having difficulty in getting pregnant, having premature births, babies with low birth weight, and miscarriages.
Tips to quit smoking. Take 10 deep breaths to relax yourself from within until the urge passes. Drinking water is a healthy alternative to sticking a cigarette in your mouth. Delay as long as you can before giving in to your urge. Take a shower, read, go for a walk, listen to music. Common depression symptoms when quitting smoking: anxiety or an empty feeling, sleeplessness, sadness, difficulty in concentrating, fatigue, changes in appetite.
Tips for insomnia relief when you quit smoking: avoid caffeine, take a warm bath, have a cup of herbal tea, don't drink alcohol, get some exercise, listen to soothing music. Mobile apps that help to quit smoking: Quit Genius and Quit Now. People who are not willing to quit tobacco, they are 5 R's: relevance, tailored advice and discussion to each patient. Risk: outline the risk of continuing tobacco. Rewards: outline the benefits of quitting. Roadblocks: identify barriers to quitting. Repetition: repeat the messages at every visit.
Nicotine replacement therapy. Nicotine is highly addictive. When you smoke a cigarette, the nicotine products reaches your brain, then blood, and activate the nicotine receptors, then releases dopamine. There are some nicotine replacement therapy products that will help us to relieve ourselves from the tobacco addiction. They are nicotine sprays, gums, lozenges, inhalators, and patches. Nicotine patches release nicotine for 24 hours as steady release over time. Other nicotine replacement products are faster acting NRT products, so others can be used in addition to patches. Smoking cessation reduces risk for many adverse health effects, including reproductive health outcomes, heart diseases, lung diseases, and cancer. Quitting tobacco not only good for their personal health but also for their lovable surrounding. Thank you.